Hi everyone, and welcome to the first video of our series on how to set up a legal entity in D365. And in this series, I will walk you step by step through creating a legal entity. And in the next upcoming videos, we will set up items together. We will handle purchase, sales, even intercompany process, and also warehouse process. So we'll start right at the beginning by creating the Contoso Trading Italy legal entity. It's a company based in Italy that buy and sells different products. So we will set up the basic parameter we can use for all the transaction we were gonna create in the upcoming videos. So we will start with the home page of D365. For the people that is the first time that they see this home page is the starting point for all the users. And here we can see the legal entity name. Right now I'm in Contoso Trading US. So because our company has different branches across the globe. And then we have the notification. We have the user options where we can set up the language. We can set up different things. And then we have the question mark where we can ask support to Microsoft. We can trace the record to report to Microsoft the bug. We can also check which version we are on. And right now we are on the latest versions from Microsoft. Is the 10.0.47. As you can see, this also immersive home is a new feature, I think, from version 10.45, if I don't remember wrong. Because that was the version where all the new AI agents came in. Lately, I will also do some videos about the new agents that we can use. Okay, so we are gonna start with the creation of our new legal entity, Contoso Trading Italy. So it's really important that you understand this. We are in the modules. We have the workspace. We will maybe make a session related to the workspace later, but you need to consider that the workspace is a place where the user can personalize some reports and can have some menu items that he generally uses to work with. So it can be the starting point of his daily work. Could be a sales agent workspace where he has access to create a sales order, check some reports. Could be a purchase agent workspace, and so on. Then we have the recent menu items that we open, the favorites. We can always have our favorites here. And here we have the modules. So we will go straight away in the organization administration module. And then we will click on legal entities. So I'm gonna click on new. And I'm gonna create my legal entity Contoso Trading Italy. And we need to give the ID code. That's really important. I will maybe call it CTT. And then my country region, ITA. Then I will click OK. Of course, then I have different settings I can set up. I can set up the language in the company, that is Italian. I can set a different address. So this is my business address. I will say that is via Roma 2 in my city in Italy. That is Cisternino. And that's it. Then I will say that is my primary address for business. It's really important to understand the difference for the purposes, because I could have different purposes in my address, as you can see. Consignment, delivery, fixed asset, home, invoicing, recruit. what I want to focus is now is the delivery address, because my delivery address may be different. So I will call it the delivery address, this one, and I will say that it is in another place. It's not via Roma, but is via Corso Umberto 5, and the state is Italy. Sorry, the country region is Ita, and yes. And then I have my Corso Umberto 5. City is Cisternino, and then that's fine. Then it's also primary because actually, no, I don't want to make it primary because my primary address should be always Contoso Trading Italy business. So this will unmark the current primary address. No, okay. And then I will just say yes. I can see I can set different delivery address, of course. Then I have the contact information. I will say that, okay, this is my email address. And my email address is Contoso Trading at gmail.com. That is my primary. And then I have a phone contact also. Phone contact is +39 33 56. I'm just inventing my phone number, of course. And then I have finished my contact information details. Then I have other things I can fill in as statutory reporting, registration numbers. I will not go in details. There are some localization also here. I have fiscal code here, for example, I can put for Italy. Then I have bank account information. I can put my routing number here, and my bank account, of course. I could create a bank account. So I could go into the view details of the bank account and create a new bank account. Just want to show you how it works. So here I have a test bank account I can create, and then I can put my bank account number here, and the currency should be euro since we are in Italy. And of course, this is active from today. And for now, I think, I need to fill in the main account number, but I will not go into details of this. So because it's not in the purpose of this meeting. But what I wanted to show you is that you can create a bank account and fill in then this information here. Then you have some parameters for foreign trade, if you have foreign trade, of course. Then you can set up some specific number sequence, but we will have a separate video for number sequence. And then your dashboard images, that's really important if you want to have a dashboard image, and your company logo. So I actually use the AI, of course, Copilot to create a company logo. I hope this is the right one. It's not the right one, okay, but doesn't matter. You can have a, let's see if I find my right company logo. No, it's not, but I will change it after I actually created a cute company logo for this company. Then you can also decide that you want the logo as dashboard image. You can have your tax registration number here, and you can have your tax 1099 here information, and that's it. Then you have some printing defaults, but and choose, of course, if you want to print by screen for this company or PDF. I will choose by screen for now. And then I try to save. It's telling me that save task code is not specified. So let's go. I always recommend to always use Control F if you are not sure where the information is. So let's see. The tax code is not registered for country region Italy. No, I think there was some saving issues error, but everything looks fine. So my company is created, so I'm ready to start working with my company. In the next video, we will talk about the first setup we need to do for the legal entity. So please just check next video if you want to know more. And if you are really interested in new features for D365, I recommend you to follow my LinkedIn newsletter, where I post articles about new features that are coming into our D365 supply chain world. My main focus is supply chain. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned. Thank you.